Good morning, everyone. It's like 8:30 currently. Day 9 of the vlogs, I think it is. And yes, at some point I will stop counting, but right now it's fun. I woke up, we were supposed to go to a fun store, and then I got a message saying I have a random doctor's appointment this morning. So, the bed in the background, that is so bad. That is so bad. Wait, let me make my bed. Y'all will be my encouragement to make my bed. That looks a little better. Good enough. My mom got me some Christmas stuff, so she got me this blanket. It's like the softest blanket. And then this like Christmas, why can't I remember what it's called? Christmas shower curtain. It's so cute. Yeah, so I'm planning on decorating a bit more for Christmas, especially like over here, but right now it's really cute. And I also have these ears. I would wear them today, but you know, it's kind of weird to walk into a doctor's office like that. Might send me to an insane asylum or something. I think we're gonna go to Blizzard Beach today, which is why I have a Blizzard Beach shirt on, or I'm just manifesting to go soon. Okay, I made it to the almost at a hospital. I made it to the medical center, whatever the heck this is called. Update you guys after the appointment and, you know, let you know I'm alive. I'll see you guys in a bit. Yay, that was like the quickest doctor's appointment. She was like, you're all good, bye. So yeah, I'm done. It's only 9:26 or 9:30. I never round up. What is wrong with me? So I want to like treat myself to something, but y'all know what I'm thinking. Y'all already know. I'm gonna go, where's the nearest Starbucks? So I decided to talk to a human being when ordering, because, you know, challenging myself, growing every day, you know, healing era. I got the peppermint mocha frappuccino because we love it. When that thing goes away, whew, they better come out with something better or something new, because that is hard to replace. Okay, everyone. It is here again. Starbucks. Ooh, it's so satisfying. And then I hope whoever I'm with someday just spoils me with Starbucks. Please, please, just spoil me. Okay, got the step ladder. We're gonna take the fall flags down so we can put some Christmas ones up. Or I think we're putting the garland or something. Yeah, let me show you guys the Christmas tree. It's so pretty. So here's, okay, these like, oh, I didn't know we had the 50th ones. Well, okay, so we have the 100th ones, and then we also have these Christmas ones. They're adorable. And yeah, I love them. Oh, that looks like Epcot. But yeah, and then we have this. He's so cute, Mickey. And then Chip and Dale. And then, yeah, and there's the really original ones up there. We have this like giant Mickey. And then we have, you know, just our usual. This is really cute. That's adorable. So cute. And then, oh, they're ice. Are they ice skating? Kind of looks like, I don't know. And then, oh my gosh, I've never seen this. Look at Mickey. He's so cute. Whoa, that is awesome. This is our new addition to the collection of Christmas stuff. Look at Chip and Dale. How cute. And then Mickey, Minnie, and Donald. Donald, why are you so grumpy, bruh? Oh my gosh, look, it's Mulder. Mulder! Mulder! Run! Oh, Fennec! Hi, buddy. Also, the drink is still immaculate. It's amazing. So we made it to Blizzard Beach after a full day of school, and now we're gonna go play for like an hour and a half because they're closing soon. But we'll be able to close the park out, so. He's so big. So we're at Blizzard Beach now, we got in. It's so pretty out. They do have funnel cakes. Are you scared? Yeah, right. It's freezing. They do not call it Blizzard Beach for nothing. It is so cold. Look at you from. So we've decided on the lazy river. Woo.
You don't have a tube?
Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, to see underwater of Blizzard Beach. 3, 2, 1. I just realized I have my sunglasses. From, you seeing what's ahead of us? So we've decided we're gonna go eat at Steakhouse 71 for dinner at Contemporary, and then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom. So it's gonna be a late night, but it'll be fun. So yeah, it's almost 5, so we have to go get our stuff and pack it up and say goodbye to Blizzard Beach. I don't want to say goodbye. But we had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to come back. It's so relaxing here, and it's just really like easygoing. Ephraim. Okay. What are you doing? Where are you going? Oh my gosh. What are you doing, child? Wait, so are we going home now?